Position the toilet bolts so they stand upright at 3 and 9 o'clock before lowering the bowl. For a reliable installation, start by turning off the water and removing the old toilet. Then clean the flange surface of debris and old wax to ensure a flat seat for the new wax ring. Inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion, and if the flange is less than 1/2 inch above the finished floor, raise it with an extender or use a thick wax ring designed for low flanges so you do not compress the seal unevenly. Set the new wax ring on the flange or on the horn of the toilet depending on the ring design. Then insert the 2 closet bolts into the flange slots and rotate them to the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions so they are parallel to the floor and will sit on either side of the tank base. Use bolt stands, plastic sleeves that snap onto the bolts, or a small zip tie around the bolt heads to keep the bolts vertical and centered in their slots while you maneuver the bowl. When lowering the toilet, lift the bowl straight up and then go straight down over the wax ring and bolts without sliding the bowl side to side because lateral movement can smear the wax and break the seal. Once seated, rock gently to compress the wax ring evenly, finger tighten the nuts, then alternate tightening each nut a little at a time until snug to avoid cracking the porcelain, and check for a stable, even base before reconnecting water. Common problems include bolts that fall over or tilt, which makes it hard to align holes and can tear the wax ring. Prevent that by using bolt stands or a short zip tie to hold bolts upright so the bowl drops down easily. A second issue is over-tightening the nuts, which can crack the toilet base or strip threads. Tighten by hand and then use a wrench for only 1/4 to 1/2 turn at a time, alternating sides for even pressure. A third concern is sliding the toilet into place, which smears the wax ring and compromises the seal. Avoid sliding by lifting and lowering straight down, and consider using a non-wax ring or foam gasket if you anticipate adjustments, because those materials tolerate some movement without failing. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people who need jobs with those who can do them. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot installation details together.